Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Bburago Ferrari 488 GTB in this very nice red color. We are going to do an unboxing and also a small review. I want to keep this video short, but I will try to do my best and describe it every details I see. So that's all. Let's proceed with the unboxing. As you can see, the box is the Ferrari Race and Play box, similar with the SP1 model. Looks nice. And it opens with the same way from here. We have to push this thing down. And then we open it. And of course we have the full plastic base. Which is also stackable. Very nice red color. It's not the usual Ferrari red color. It's darker. Looks very nice. So let's unscrew the model from the base. So now that the model is out from the base, I'm going to remove these rubber bands from here and also from the front. We do it like this, slowly, and from the front. And now we are going to remove also this here, this plastic. So now all the seals are off, and we are going to take a look in this model car. As you can see, this is a very nice red color, very nice details. I think that in red color looks a bit better rather than, for example, the white color, because all the spaces around the doors and the hoods are not so visible. In the jewel edition also it is not very visible, but this particular shade of red color, it looks very nice for the 488 in my opinion. In the coming days I will review also the Schumacher edition, which is also red color. But for a stock 488 this looks very nice. Of course the grills are not perforated. The hood opens easily. It has plastic lining underneath here. There's a huge space for the boot. Close is very nice. Very nice wheels. It is the suspension system working. The disc brakes are gray, dark gray color, and the brake calipers are black color. I don't know if you can see it. Very nice, and the paint job is very nicely applied. As you can see, it's very nice and shiny. Underneath there is not much to see. At the back you see that there's also some details. In this particular model the Ferrari logo is not centered, as you can see, not very centered. It's okay, but it should be 1 millimeter to the left. But anyway, the exhaust pipes are chrome, nice detail. The tail lights also has a good level of details. They look almost like the real car. For the engine compartment, we'll lift this plastic window here if you want to access the engine. It's not very easy to open it without a tool, but it's not so difficult to open. So I opened it. It opens until one point. It's not going all the way up. That means that it has some issue from the factory. So this is a good lesson. Always check your models before you buy it. It's not a big deal for me, because I'm gonna fix it or return it and get a new one, but it's better to check before you buy, so you don't get into all this trouble. So anyway, the engine looks very good. It has nice details. Of course, it's separate pieces in there, so if you deassemble it, you can make also more details for the pipes here and everything. But straight from the factory, it looks good. Looks very nice. This here is also a separate piece. The plastic grills with this fin, it's one piece. So if you want to modify it, you can replace the plastic grills with perforated grills, or you can paint this black so it's all black here. You have this possibility. And for the interior, door opens as much as it should, not too much but not too little. The interior is all black. In the special series of Bburago, the interior is two-tone, is black with red. In the stock model, it's full black, but it has very nice details, and the steering wheel looks good. Doesn't have any details for the buttons on the steering wheel, but it is okay. It's an inexpensive model, so you cannot expect much. Overall, the build is very good. The paint job is very good. Nice color. There are 2-3 things that are imperfections, and they need to be addressed. But overall, it is okay. So that's all for today's video. I hope I helped you and you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next episode, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.